Rakshak-An IoT-based wearable device for women safety security system using Raspberry Pi Pico. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it is connected to the Raspberry Pi Pico board with 5 volts GSM SIM 900A. It will send SMS alert as well as call alert. GPS will take the latitude longitude from the satellite location, exact location. So red LED and green LED, those two are the indicators. 16 cross 2 LCD display, it is connected with RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are LCD pin numbers. Emergency switch button is connected to the 10th pin. Alarm connected to the 11th pin. ESP32 camera, telegram, photo alert. It requires mobile hotspot internet. So you have to give the mobile hotspot. So mobile dot on, and as well as the Wi-Fi hotspot on. So username is project, password is project1234. So then okay. So now here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using. Okay, so we have to give the power supply here. So here we are using GSM SIM 900A module, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card. Press down, the SIM card will come out. Okay, the SIM card, Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL. Slowly insert the SIM card. Okay, big SIM card, slowly insert it. Lock, press down, it will come outside. Slowly, okay, press up. Okay, it should be locked. Press down, unlock, press up. Okay, so this is GSM module. The power supply, one power supply for the ESP32 camera, other power supply for the Raspberry Pi LCD, and the GPS LED alarm. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED, power volts power supply module. So Raspberry Pi Pico board, ESP32 camera module. It requires Wi-Fi hotspot mobile internet. 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD. SOS switch button, GPS antenna, GPS module, and LED indicators. So now I am giving the power supply. So Rakshak-An IoT based wearable device for human safety, latitude value, longitude value. Okay, press up. Okay, I am giving an Rakshak-An IoT based wearable device for. So this is reset button, nothing should be happen. Latitude value, longitude value, GPS is okay. Initializing GSM modem, initialized successfully. So woman is safe. Pressing long press, green LED off, red LED on, alarm on. It is taking the photo alert. Okay, so it is sending the photo alert. Okay, it is sending the photo alert. Okay, so once SMS sending completed, it will go for the call alert. Two SMS alerts, one for me and another one is the student number. Once SMS completed, so red LED calling the mobile number. SMS call alert, first call alert. Okay, second call alert goes to student mobile number. So this is block diagram. Okay, block diagram. Power supply, GSM SIM 8 and 900A, SMS alert, call alert, GPS module, GPS GY6M V2, exact latitude longitude, Raspberry Pi Pico board, red LED, green LED indicators, and a 16 cross 2 LCD display, emergency button, alarm, ESP32 camera. So if woman is okay, green LED on, so woman is safe. So once again, power supply board, GSM module, GPS module. On the top of the LED on and off, it is exact location is coming. Okay, ESP32 camera, it requires mobile hotspot internet. So we have to give the mobile data, and as well as Wi-Fi hotspot should be on in the mobile. Okay, so whenever we are pressing, it is sending the photo alert, telegram photo alert. Okay, yeah, photo alert coming. Message sending. latitude point, longitude point. Okay, once SMS completed, it will give you the call alert. Okay, okay, once call alert completed, it goes to the second mobile number. Those two completed, then green LED should be on.